Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss under the P block elements, specifically nitrogen family, the compounds of nitrogen and phosphorus as per our syllabus. I am Dr. R. Gunasekaran, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. Under the compounds of nitrogen and phosphorus, we are going to study preparation, properties and uses of 1. Ammonia and nitric acid under nitrogen, phosphorus trichloride and phosphorus pentachloride under phosphorus. Kindly remember, this is as per our syllabus we are going to discuss. Okay, let me go one by one. Please follow. First, let me take ammonia. We know the formula NH3. Preparation, commercial, large quantity. On large scale, ammonia is prepared by Haber's process at a high temperature, 700 Kelvin, and high pressure 200 atmosphere in presence of ion catalyst. Kindly follow. So this process is called Haber process. So 1 mole of nitrogen and 3 moles of hydrogen combines in presence of ion catalyst at 200 atmosphere and 700 Kelvin. We are getting 2 moles of ammonia. This is the commercial preparation of ammonia. The process called Haber process. Kindly follow. Coming for properties as usual. First we will discuss physical properties, then we will go for chemical. Under the physical properties, I have to inform ammonia is a colorless gas with a pungent odor. Easily we can recognize. It is highly soluble in water in the form of ammonium hydroxide, available in all laboratories. Its aqueous solution is weakly basic due to OH minus. Ammonium hydroxide is a weak electrolyte. We have discussed already. The same way in the case of acetic acid, also a weak electrolyte. This we have already discussed under the that is equilibrium. Kindly follow. So let me come for the chemical properties. Under the chemical properties, first let me take action of acid, because this is the base. So let me take first action of acid. It reacts with acid, all acid, to form corresponding salts. Say for example, ammonia reacts with HCl to form ammonium chloride. Same way, ammonia reacts with sulfuric acid, ammonium sulfate. Kindly follow. The same way ammonium reacts with nitric acid, ammonium nitrate. Kindly follow. So, here I want to give one information. Kindly follow. As I already told you, as a weak base in water, it precipitates the hydroxides of many metals from their salt solution. It precipitates the hydroxides of many metals from their salt solution. For example, zinc sulfate, when you treat with ammonium hydroxide, zinc hydroxide, it is precipitated. Ammonium sulfate, water soluble. Same way, ferric chloride with ammonium hydroxide reacts to give ferric oxide in H2O as a precipitate, then ammonium chloride, which is soluble in water. So, it precipitates the hydroxides of many metal. In this case, I have taken example zinc sulfate and ferric chloride from the salt solution. Please follow. This is the most important property of ammonia in the form of aqueous ammonia. Please follow. The another interesting information is Formation of complex. Ammonia, it forms complex compound, number of complex compound with a number of salts. Because it is having a lone pair, it is present there. So, example, copper sulfate reacts with 4 moles of ammonia, it forms tetraamine copper 2 sulfate. This we will discuss under the coordination compounds later. Temporarily, you kindly remember this is a complex. This is called cationic complex. Anion is sulfate, cation is the copper that is having, so it is called cationic complex. The same way, silver chloride reacts with ammonia form diamine silver chloride. So it is actually another complex formation. Coming for uses, it is used to produce various nitrogenous fertilizers. Ammonium nitrate, ammonium chloride, like that. It is used to prepare number of inorganic compound. We have just passed. To prepare number of inorganic compound, ammonia is used. And it is used as a refrigerant. Ammonia is used as a refrigerant. Kindly follow. Let me go for the most important compound of nitrogen is nitric acid. Dear students, you should be very careful. There are 3 mineral acids available in inorganic chemistry. One is HCl, another is sulfuric acid, and third is nitric acid. So, nitric acid coming under the nitrogen family, the HCl coming under the halogen family, sulfur coming under the oxygen family. So, these are the 3 minerals. So, whenever you study, you must know the differences between dilute action of dilute nitric acid, the dilute acid, and action of concentrated acid with non-metals, metals, and metallic compound. These are the compounds, inorganic as well as organic compound. So mainly, you should be very careful regarding dilute acid and concentrated acid. That is the most important care you have to take under the mineral acid. So here, nitric acid. Let me take first. Nitric acid is a highly corrosive, strong mineral acid. What is going to be corrosive? If you touch your skin, it will easily will give the wound. Please follow. It is highly corrosive, strong mineral acid. The pure acid is colorless, but impure acid acquires yellow color due to the decomposition of oxides of nitrogen and water. Commercial acid has concentration of 68 to 78%, density 1.46 gram per ml, and 86% and above is called fuming nitric acid. The density is 1.5 gram per ml. So normally, if you want to nitrate, strong nitration, we are using fuming nitric acid, especially in organic chemistry. Kindly follow. So let me come for first preparation. Manufacture, large scale quantity. The process is called Ostwald process. So commonly question will be asked. Commercial nitric acid can be prepared by 1. Ostwald process, Haber process. So like that they will give. So you must memorize it is Ostwald process. Large quantities of ammonia manufactured by Haber process are converted into nitric acid by Ostwald process. Kindly follow. That means we are preparing from ammonia. That is, from ammonia, nitric acid can be prepared. That is the most important. First one. So, 4 moles of ammonia reacts with 5 moles of oxygen in presence of catalyst, platinum and the ruthenium. Kindly follow. The 4 moles of NO and 6 moles of H2O. Kindly follow. the NO nitric oxide is formed, 4 moles. Then next, this nitric acid, 2 moles reacts with oxygen to produce 2 moles of 2NO2. Kindly follow. So, the NO2, 4NO2 reacts with water 2 moles and oxygen 1 mole, converted finally into 4 moles of nitric oxide. Kindly follow. So, this is the 3-step process. We are getting nitric acid. Laboratory method, that is commercial. By heating a nitrate salt, any nitrate salt with consulfuric acid, we are getting corresponding nitric acid. Say for example, sodium nitrate reacts with 2 moles of sulfuric acid to produce 1 mole of nitric acid and 1 mole of sodium hydrogen sulfate. So in the laboratory, easily we can prepare nitric acid. Coming for properties, as usual, physical properties. It is a colorless fuming liquid in pure form. It boils at 359 Kelvin. Coming for chemical properties, it reacts with metals, non-metals and compound as follows. Please follow. I am following systematically. So with metals, non-metals and compounds, I am always discussing in this form. First, let me take action of dilute nitric acid on metal. Please follow action of metals. I am treating first dilute nitric acid. Metals, so metals lying below hydrogen in the electrochemical series. Electrochemical means reduction potential, such as sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, etc. normally displace hydrogen from dilute nitric acid. Kindly follow. If you take the hydrogen is the standard, above that it is the copper, mercury and silver, and below this is coming all these metal. Starting from below, the more positive calcium, the magnesium, aluminum, zinc, all this. Sodium and potassium directly we cannot use, only in the form of the coated mercury, that is amalgamated. Kindly follow. So what will happen now? So that is the important thing. Metals lying below hydrogen in the reduction potential of electrochemical series normally displace hydrogen from dilute nitric acid. Kindly follow. But since it is a strong oxidizing agent, nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent and hydrogen is a reducing agent, so secondary reaction takes place between hydrogen and nitric acid takes place, resulting in the reduction of nitric acid to give NO, N2O, N2 or ammonia, depending upon nature of metal, net concentration of the acid used and the temperature. Please follow. So the idea here it is, this we have to memorize, there is no other way. So this is memory based the questions. So depending upon the nature of the metal, concentration of the acid, temperature, so the hydrogen produced first is converted, reacts with nitric acid, the second reaction takes place to produce NO, N2O, N2 or ammonia depending upon the nature of metal, concentration of acid and temperature. Let me explain a few examples, kindly follow. So first I am taking zinc. See various quantity of the zinc and dilute nitric acid I am using, kindly follow. So 4 moles of zinc and 10 moles of nitric acid. So I am getting zinc nitrate, N2O and water. Kindly follow. So normally what is the first step will be zinc plus nitric acid will give zinc nitrate plus hydrogen will be produced. Kindly follow. Zinc nitrate and hydrogen will be produced. This is the normal. So this hydrogen further reacts with nitric acid. Only we are seeing this reaction converted into zinc nitrate, N2O and water. Please follow. When I use 10 moles of nitric acid, dilute nitric acid, 4 moles of zinc, N2O is formed. Suppose if I use 5 moles of zinc and 12 moles of nitric acid, same zinc nitrate is 5 moles. Now instead of N2O, N2 it is formed and 6 moles of H2O. Now let me take now 4 moles of zinc and 10 moles of nitric acid. So in this case 4 moles of zinc nitrate, 3 moles of water and ammonium nitrate also it is formed. Kindly follow. Very dilution. I have indicated that is dilution. This is excess of water. Very dilution conditions. But we are using only 10. So water is excess. In that case, instead of N2 or N2O, ammonium nitrate is formed. Please follow. Okay, let me continue. Metals lying above in the hydrogen, that is we have seen already, copper, silver, mercury, above in the reduction electrochemical series such as copper, bismuth, silver, etc. and mercury do not liberate hydrogen. Please follow. This is the important condition. Only below will liberate hydrogen, only above will not liberate hydrogen. So in this case, the action of nitric acid involves only oxidation of metals into metallic oxides, which dissolve in acid to form nitrates accompanied by evaluation of NO or NO2. Please follow. This is the main difference based on the nature of metal. Please follow. So let me give you example. Kindly follow. Copper, 3 moles of copper, 8 moles of nitric acid, dilute nitric acid. Copper nitrate, 3 moles, 4H2O and 2NO it is produced. Noble metals like the AU, that is gold, platinum, that is RH, iridium are not attacked by nitric acid. Gold and platinum are however attacked by aqua regia. Please memorize aqua regia. What is meant by aqua regia? 3:1 corn HCl and corn nitric acid, if you mix it will form aqua regia. Kindly follow. Now, so let me continue now for action of corn nitric acid. So far I have discussed dilute nitric acid. Now we concentrate on corn nitric acid on metals. Corn nitric acid is a powerful oxidizing agent. It can easily lose its oxygen according to the following equation. So what will be? It will produce 2 moles of nitric acid, gives corn nitric acid 2NO2 H2O atomic oxygen. But here when you compare NO2 and oxygen, here NO2 is a powerful oxidizing agent. Here oxidizing action of nitric acid has been shown to be more due to NO2 produced than due to oxygen, atomic oxygen. Kindly memorize. Please follow. So, okay. Now let me come back. Generally, corn nitric acid reacts with non-metals. Let me take first non-metals, giving characteristic products. Giving characteristic products. Number 1, action of boron. Amorphous boron dissolves in hot concentrated nitric acid to form boric acid. So boron 1 mole, 3 moles of nitric acid produce boric acid and 3NO it is produced. This is the concentrated nitric acid action of boron. Number 2, it is action of carbon. Charcoal dissolves slowly in hot dilute nitric acid forming brown colored substance known as artificial tannin. But corn nitric acid oxidizes it to carbon dioxide and it itself is reduced to nitrogen dioxide and water. Say carbon plus 4 nitric acid, carbon dioxide, NO2 and water. Kindly follow. So, and is itself reduced to nitrogen dioxide and water. Kindly follow. This is the action of concentrated nitric acid with carbon. So, carbon gives carbon dioxide. Please follow. Action of sulfur, another non-metal. Sulfur is oxidized by nitric acid to form sulfuric acid, where it is oxidized by sulfuric acid to form sulfur dioxide and water. So, S8, 48 moles of nitric acid, that is the atomicity of sulfur is 8, so I am indicating as S8. 8 sulfuric acid, 48 NO2, 16 H2O. So, we are getting NO2 as the product, sulfuric acid is formed. So, always the non-metal is converted to corresponding acid. Kindly follow. The next one, action of phosphorus. Nitric oxide oxidizes phosphorus to phosphoric acid. So P4, as usual, atomicity of phosphorus is P4. 20 moles of nitric acid, constant nitric acid, reacts to give 4 moles of phosphoric acid, H3PO4, 20 moles of NO2 and 4H2O. The next is action of iodine, halide, solid. Iodine is solid. Iodine is oxidized to iodic acid. Iodine, 10 moles of nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid to give iodic acid, HiO3, 10 moles of NO2 and 4H2O. Kindly follow. So this is the action of non-metals. Now let me come for action of nitric acid on compounds. Kindly follow. Nitric acid reacts with hydrogen sulfide to produce sulfur, NO and 4H2O. This is one. So reacts with hydrogen sulfide, which is a compound. Same way, nitric acid reacts with sulfur dioxide in presence of water to produce sulfuric acid and NO. So always NO it is produced. Kindly follow. So that is regarding for the nitric acid we have to discuss. Kindly follow. So let me go for now compounds of phosphorus. I will go next. Under phosphorus we are going to discuss phosphine, pH3, phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride. So these three compounds preparation properties we are going to discuss. Kindly follow. First, I will take now phosphine. Phosphine, laboratory preparation. Phosphine is the hydrate of phosphorus, pH3. It can be prepared in the laboratory by heating white phosphorus with concentrated sodium hydroxide solution in an inert atmosphere of carbon dioxide. Please follow. Phosphorus, when heated with, that is white phosphorus specifically, heated with concentrated sodium hydroxide solution in an inert atmosphere of water and the inert atmosphere of carbon dioxide and water, phosphine is produced. So we are getting now 3 moles of sodium dihydrogen phosphate. Kindly follow. So we are getting, this is the laboratory preparation. So phosphine can also be prepared by the reaction of calcium phosphide and water or dilute HCl. Kindly follow. So phosphine can also be prepared by reaction of calcium phosphide with water or by dilute HCl. Just see the reaction here. Ca3P2 plus 6H2O with water. So produce phosphine and calcium hydroxide. The same way with the dilute HCl, calcium phosphate produced again phosphine, calcium chloride. Please follow. So this reaction is given here. However, pure phosphine can be prepared by absorbing Hi from phosphonium iodide, which on treatment with potassium hydroxide gives off phosphine. This is the pure phosphine we can prepare in the laboratory. Pure phosphine can be prepared by absorbing HI to form phosphonium triiodide, which on treatment with potassium hydroxide gives off phosphine. Please follow. This is pure phosphine. Coming for properties of phosphine. Physical properties first. It is a colorless gas with rotten fish smell. See, rotten fish smell and highly poisonous. Please important. Phosphine is poisonous. It is slightly soluble in water. Coming for chemical properties, first let me take action of water. The solution of phosphine in water decomposes in presence of light, giving red phosphorus and hydrogen. Kindly follow. It explodes in contact with traces of oxidizing agent like nitric acid, chlorine and bromine vapors. It explodes. Kindly follow. Coming for action of acid, phosphine is a weakly basic like ammonia, weak electrolyte, and gives phosphonium compound with acid. Say for example PH3HBr, phosphonium bromide, like ammonium bromide, it is called phosphonium bromide. Please follow. Action of metallic salts. When absorbed in copper sulfate, so action of salts, or mercury chloride solution, the corresponding phosphides are obtained. Kindly follow. 2 moles of phosphine, 3 moles of copper sulfate, it gives corresponding phosphide Cu3Pe2 and sulfuric acid is produced. Same way here, phosphine again reacts with mercury chloride, corresponding Hg3P2, corresponding phosphide, mercury phosphide, copper phosphide, so producing HCl. So, whenever you are using sulfate of metal, sulfuric acid, chlorine, it is corresponding HCl. Kindly follow. This is the most important. Coming for uses, it is used technically in home signal. What is home signal? Kindly follow. This is used in C. When container, that is containing calcium carbide and calcium phosphide are pierced and thrown into the sea, the gases formed will be burned and serve as a signal. That is, phosphine is produced, it will give a signal. It is also used in smoke screens. Kindly follow. Coming for next, halides. Under the halides, we are going to discuss phosphorus trichloride and phosphorus pentachloride. This is the phosphorus form generally 2 types of halide, PX3 and PX5. So specifically chlorine, PCl3 and PCl5, phosphorus trichloride and phosphorus pentachloride. So let me take first phosphorus trichloride preparation. By passing dry chlorine over heated white phosphorus, or by the action of thionyl chloride on white phosphorus trichloride can be prepared. So please follow. This is the method we can prepare here easily. So phosphorus P4 66Cl2 giving corresponding 4 moles of PCl3. Same way P4 8 moles of SOCl2 gives 4 moles of PCl3, 4 moles of sulfur dioxide and sulfur monochloride 2 moles. Please follow. So we are getting phosphorus trichloride by this method from white phosphorus. The next one. Properties coming for physical. It is a colorless oily liquid. Please follow. Phosphine is a gas. This trichloride is oily liquid. Coming for the chemical properties, it undergoes hydrolysis in presence of moisture to produce phosphorus acid. So PCl3 plus 3 moles of water producing phosphorus acid, that is H3PO3, it is phosphorus acid. Kindly follow. 3 moles of HCl. Kindly follow. Next. Under the chemical properties, let me continue now. It reacts with organic compound containing OH group to produce the phosphorus acid. See, phosphorus trichloride reacts with acetic acid. So, phosphorus acid is formed correspondingly acetyl chloride. The same way alcohol reacts with the phosphorus trichloride, again phosphorus acid, we are getting ethyl chloride. Please follow. Coming for uses, it is used as a halogenating agent in the laboratory. So, for the halogenated alkane, if you want to prepare, we are using this phosphorus trichloride. Please follow. The next, phosphorus pentachloride, next compound of phosphorus. Preparation: by passing dry chlorine over heated white phosphorus or by the action of thionite chloride on white phosphorus, phosphorus pentachloride can be prepared. Please follow the same method, P4, but we are using excess of chlorine, that's all. 10 moles of chlorine gives 4 moles of phosphorus pentachloride. Same way, 10 moles of thionyl chloride gives 4 moles of PCl5 and 10 moles of sulfur dioxide. So, we are getting. Coming for properties, phosphorus pentachloride, yellowish white powder. Please follow. PH3 gas, PCl3 solid, and this PCl5, it is yellowish white powder, solid. Kindly follow. Coming for chemical properties, first let me take action of water. What happens when treated with water? It undergoes hydrolysis in moist air to produce phosphoric acid. So PCl5 plus water reacts to give phosphorus oxychloride and HCl. And phosphoric oxychloride reacts with excess of 3 moles of water further to give phosphoric acid, H3PO4 and 2HCl. Please follow. This is the most important property of phosphorus pentachloride, action of water. We are going to, in order to prepare phosphoric acid, simply we treat with water, we will get the phosphoric acid. Coming for action of heat, this is the most important. It decomposes in heating, produce phosphorus trichloride and chlorine. This is normally the most important reaction. So if this indicates is a open container. Suppose if it is indicated by double side arrow, it is closed container. You have studied already under the equilibrium. Please follow. Decomposition of phosphorus pentachloride is an endothermic reaction. Next, let me go for action of compound. It reacts with organic compounds containing OH group to produce corresponding chloride. That is, OH will be replaced by halogen atom. PCl5 I am treating with acetic acid. So phosphorus oxychloride, acetyl chloride, HCl is formed. The same way, in the case of ethanol, it is again forming oxychloride, corresponding ethyl chloride and HCl. Please follow. The main difference between trichloride and pentachloride, kindly follow. In the case of phosphorus oxychloride is formed, is an additional product. Just to go for the other one, the correspondingly trichloride, just see here. Here it is producing acetyl chloride, kindly follow, and phosphoric acid. It is acid, and this is again the substituting OH by Cl, but POCl3 it is not producing. Kindly follow. That is the main difference between action of PCl3 and PCL 5. That would be very useful when you go for organic chemistry. Kindly follow. Now, so coming for organic, so what is happening now? You can just see here PCl3, Cl, just imagine like this. So what will happen now? When it is undergoing action, so HOH, imagine like this. So phosphorus oxychloride it is formed, HCl it is formed. Kindly follow. This is the way we are getting. Kindly follow. So we are all the OH is substituted by Cl, and again HCl is produced. So phosphorus oxychloride is the main product. Next, action of metals. Finely divided metals on heating with phosphorus pentachloride give corresponding chloride. Silver reacts with phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride and silver chloride it is formed. Same way tin reacts with phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride and tin tetrachloride is formed. Kindly follow. So we are coming for the last one. That it is used for the manufacture of many inorganic compounds in the laboratory. This is very useful because we are treating with phosphorus pentachloride with the action of metal, action of non-metal compound. Again, so many compounds are produced. I hope I have come to the conclusion. So my dear student, thank you very much for kind cooperation you have given so far. Dear students, you are coming for the first time to view my channel, NEET Chemistry by Dr. R. Gunasekharan. So if you are a first time you are coming, please, I request you, please click like and please press the subscribe button to motivate me. So one information I want to give. This channel, my aim, I have started this channel to help poor students of India, throughout India, so that they need not go to tuition or any coaching center to study chemistry. Normally, students find difficulty with physics and chemistry alone. So I want to help our students in this way. So what I am going to do through this YouTube channel, I will cover starting from 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th, 11th, 12th. After completing this, I will discuss unit-wise the previous year question papers. That is, starting from IIT, AIMS, NEET, AFMC, AIPMT, MSET Andhra, Karnataka, Delhi. These question paper I will discuss. Kindly follow. So kindly share this information to your friends. So the channel, please memorize the channel. If you want to view, open the YouTube and type this NEET Chemistry by Dr. R. Gunasekharan. My channel will open, and if you click videos, entire videos will come. Kindly follow. Then another important information for students for waiting for NEET and an examination will be conducted by Government of India for this academic year. For you, I have three information. What are they? Number one, we are running a veterinary coaching center in Pondicherry for the last 20 years, and we have a number of achievements we had for the last 20 years. So if you want to see that, please enter in our website vetri.s. So open Chrome, and in the Chrome, if you click vetri.s, if you type vetri.s and enter, then it automatically our site will open. There is also free version is there. You can go and see the lesson and model test, everything you can attend freely. Kindly follow. What is the achievement? Let me give one or two achievements for the 20 years. One is, every year we are getting 10 to 20 students are going to Jipar Medical College through our veterinary coaching center. 150 to 200 students are joining in other medical colleges. Few students are joining engineering, that is IIT Madras, and hundreds of students are joining other engineering college for the last 20 years. The another most important information I want to give is one of our student, R. Srinivasa Raghavan, came All India first rank in 2003. All information you can see in the home page of Vetted Artists. This is our achievement. Now, I want to give some important information regarding Vetted Artists. Vetted Artists has 200 video lesson, 200 unit test. Please follow. This is our website. 200 video lesson taken by professors with a doctorate degree and teaching IIT and medical students for the last 20 to 30 years. Not only these students, medical students and engineering students, but also BSc, MSc and MPhil PhD students. Only that experienced professor handled these classes. And also we have 200 unit tests. That means in this case, P block element, specifically nitrogen family. Under nitrogen family, we have two tests. Test 1, test 2. So there will be 45 questions in each test. Totally 90 questions. What is the important information I want to convey to you? All the questions framed for 200 unit tests are taken from 20 years of IIT question paper, original, and AIMS, AFMC, AIPMT, MSET Andhra, Delhi, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry. All these questions are framed in the unit test. You can raise me a question. What is the importance of framing this question in the one advantage we have observed from our experience for the last 6 years of NEET and examination question paper, we observed 75 to 80 questions of same questions are repeated. Same questions are repeated. So this is the advantage. You are getting, through Vetted Artists, you are getting 320 marks. Without any problem, you are getting 320. See? And if you are a very good student and naturally hardworking and sincere, you can get 300 plus. So you can get easily 600 to 700. You will become All India rank. You can join any college like JIPMER, AIMS or Vellore. Even a poor student can get minimum 500 marks if you go through our Vetted Artists site. Please follow. Now, another important feature of Vetted Artists, how to attend the test. Now, see, you are viewing the lesson. When we are viewing the lesson, if you want to take note, it is full of notes. Kindly follow. You can see a number of online coaching of leading India website. They will speak. Nothing will come in the screen. Sometimes some diagram, representation, that's all. But ours is not like that. As per our syllabus, systematic syllabus, according to that, but level will be BSc level. All information will be given in BSc level, will be in the form of abstract notes. Kindly follow. In the form of notes. So if you want to take notes, please touch the video. It will stop. You can take the notes. Then again, further touch, it will move. So whenever you want, you can touch and take notes. This is one advantage. Kindly follow. Any number of times you can repeat the video, you can see. Then, coming for unit test, I already told you, in the unit test, there is a menu called attempt. There is a menu called attempt. So, when you enter any unit, by clicking unit menu, there is a menu called attempt. If you click attempt, it will ask you, this unit contains 45 questions, each will carry 4 marks. If you give correct answer, 4 marks awarded. If you give wrong answer, 1 mark subtracted. It will say. It will give information. Are you ready? It will ask. If you are ready, please click OK. Immediately a window will open. In the window, you can see question number 1. You can see option A, option B, option C, option D. You can see. Kindly below there are 3 menus are there. 3 menus, and below there is another menu 1 to 45. Question number will be there. Question number will be there. Kindly follow. So, when you press OK, automatically there will be a clock will be running. You can see there. It will be starting from 45 minutes, coming down 44.59, 58, 57 like that it will run. That indicates within 45 minutes you have to complete the 45 question. That is the aim. Okay, let me come for the question. In that you are reading the questions. You find now A is the suitable answer, then click A 100%. What is the wonder that is taking place in Vetty.us, which is not available in other online coaching, leading online coaching center in India? The question number 1 below will be converted into green color. The second question blue color, all other questions will be yellow color. Kindly follow. Here there are 3 menu. 1, 2, 3 menu. 1 is nothing but reverse. 2 nothing but complete. And 3 nothing but next. So by pressing next menu, you can go for question number 2, 3, 4, etc. Reverse means you will come back reverse. Or directly the question you are seeing 1 to 45, wherever there is yellow means you are not attended, press that yellow, that question will open. So this is the advantage we have. It is not available in other online coaching. Kindly follow. So what is the important information? What are the questions you have attended? What are the questions you have not attended? You can able to understand. Please follow. After completing this only, you have to press complete. When you press complete, what will happen immediately? A window will open. In the window, you will get the marks 160 out of 180. Say for example, in chemistry you are getting. That means 20 marks you have left. Whether you have left or it may be wrong anyway. So you want to know where you have done mistake, where you have not done mistake. See, please follow. We have given provision for that one. This is not available in other online coaching. That is called review menu. Review. So next to marks, so we are viewing the mark, no? The next to the mark, it is there, review. So press review menu, immediately window will open. One window will open. In the window, you can see question number 1, you can see option A, option B, option C, option D, and the correct answer in yellow color it will be given. And below that, there is a video solution will be there. Kindly follow. So since I have discussed, you have clicked A. So your answer now will be in blue color. Correct answer will be in yellow color. You compare with the correct answer, then you can compare your question is right or wrong. You can able to understand. Please follow. This provision is not available in other online coaching. Please follow. And also, one more important thing is, so if you are wrong and if you want to know the answer, you need not go to any teacher or library or book. Please click the video solution below. If you click video solution, the professors with the doctorate degree and 20 to 30 years of experience will teach you like classroom. They will be standing in front of a board. In the board there is questions and there is options. He will read the question, he will read the option, then he will explain definition, formula, any derivation or the diagram, whatever suitable, everything he will give information and he will take class. So he will take minimum 10 to 15 minutes he will spend to explain the question. Kindly follow. This is the more advantage of Vetty.us, because if you go other online coaching center, if you go any other in India, They will give answer. Solution means if you click solution, it will give some one word. For example, past press is correct answer, past press only. Or one line will be typed material will be there. But here, not like that. We will have entire solution, the reason, the additional information, what short route, everything we will give, so that even a very dull student can easily understand through petty daughters. Now, finally, I want to give my dear students, so when you want to attend NEET entrance examination of Government of India or at least our Vetri Daughters test, you have to follow 3 steps. Please follow. 3 steps you have to follow to get more marks between 600 to 700 marks. To get, you have to follow these 3 steps. First step, attend questions botany, zoology, chemistry and physics. This order you have to attend. Only theory question, known question. Suppose let us assume 100 questions you are attending, known to you. So out of 180 questions already it is available from our Vetri Daughters site. Only from the site. I all told you for the last 6 years we have observed same questions are repeated. So 20 questions you have your knowledge you have given correct answer. Then the second step, go for again botany, zoology, chemistry and physics. The difficult question, theoretical questions, read twice, thrice and come to the conclusion. Suppose if the answer is 80% worth, if you feel, put a tick mark, click the answer. If it is less than 40%, don't click that answer. Don't lose marks. Please leave it. This is the second step. Third step, go to directly chemistry and physics. Because to attend the problem, chemistry 1/3 of the questions will be problems. Physics 50% of the problem. So in the problem, if you are looking at apply suitable formula, apply the proper SI units, calculate, finally you will get answer. You compare your answer with the option given in the question paper, and if the answer, your calculated value and the option, any one of the option is correct, you put a tick mark. If it is not correct, kindly go again, once again, any mistake you have done in the calculation, verify and then correct. If your answer coincide, put a tick mark, otherwise leave it. Please follow. This is the step follow. If you follow this step, definitely good students will get 600 to 700. Average or below average will get 500 minimum, I can give assurance. So another most important feature of Vetri Daughters, it is the low cost. That is even very, very poor poor family students, they can join Vetri Daughters because we are charging only 10,000 rupees per year. Per year, only 10,000 rupees we are charging. How to pay this 10,000 rupees? Kindly follow. So you can view 1 year fully lessons and you can attend to 200 tests. Even 1 day, 1 test means 200 days, 200 tests. Kindly see. So it will take minimum 200 days it will take. So it will be whole year you can. Kindly follow, because that is additional to your class work, class homework, everything. Then you have to keep time such a way that attend this one. So don't forget to be the solution. That is the most important. That will increase your knowledge. Kindly follow. How to pay 10,000? Pay 10,000 in the name of Sandhi, Director of Vetri Coaching Center, Indian Bank, account number 71,271,9471. IFC code IDIB000P134. Cell 98941-76425. So, kindly follow, my dear student. If you have any query, any doubt, anything, contact my cell number as well as WhatsApp number 98941-76425. Please contact. So, thank you very much. See you again in the next topic. Thank you. Bye-bye.